Also here at 6, action tonight after 1-year-old River Wilson drowned at a Bronx daycare where she was supposed to be safe. Following a CBS News New York investigation, Congressman Ritchie Torres is proposing a law to prohibit pools at daycares. Devlin has the details.
Because we refuse to wait any longer.
Congressman Ritchie Torres stood in front of the family of 1-year-old River Wilson as they grieve her loss. Wilson drowned in this swimming pool in the backyard of state-licensed daycare Anna's Butterfly Garden Family Group in the Bronx on August 1st. And Tuesday, in River's memory, Torres introduced River's Law.
River's Law would prohibit swimming pools in residential daycare centers. And it would require residential daycare centers to be equipped with alarms that enhance child safety.
A CBS News New York investigation uncovered that, according to state records, hours after River's death, inspectors with the Office of Children and Family Services found the pool was not in compliance with regulations preventing access by children, adding it was too close to the house and the fence surrounding it was too short. The investigation also found that before River's death, on at least 8 different visits to the daycare by inspectors between 2022 and 2025, the same pool was found to be in compliance. The investigation also found state records show Anna's Butterfly Garden Family Group lost its license following the drowning, but according to the NYPD, the primary caregiver, Anna Gonzalez, has not been charged with a crime.
It might be me today, it might be me and my wife today, but what about the other families?
CBS News New York investigator Masa Saidi spoke to Wilson's mother and father last month following the drowning as they recounted the dreadful day.
She was lifeless on the floor. The next thing, they put Riva on the stretcher and they put her in the ambulance.
And the worst day of my life happened.
Here outside of the daycare, as the memorial for River Wilson grows, so do the calls to try to make sure no other child meets her same fate.
Such a happy baby and clearly a close-knit family, Alan. I know that you also spoke with the lawyer today for the family. What did he add to this?
Yes, we did. So the Wilson family did not speak, but the attorney James Williams did. He said this is a failure of oversight, in his own words, but there is an investigation ongoing, and it needs to complete before they draw any conclusions about what happened here. He added the most important thing, as while the family wants accountability somewhere to be held, he also adds that they just want to make sure that this doesn't happen to any other children.
All right, Devlin, thank you for that update.